Omuramuzi Karyegira Monica Mugenyi nuwe yabanza kuhereza yencomuye kandi we najera nkoti y'amahereho mu mateka kandi yetongwire ngo nahabwe cekatirwemwe abaramuzi abakora ba Judicial Service Commission.
Established by the UPDF Act by dint of Article 210 of the Constitution to preside over the service offences defined in Section 1 of the UPDF Act, which include the offences enshrined in Part 6 of that Act.
Nabwanyuma omuramuzi Catherine Bamugemerire nawe yahaye ncomuye hamwe n'abandi baramuzi. Nabwanyuma Chief Justice Alfonso Winyudoro yaragira ko twumara habwo buhango bw'encomuye kandi ko twiyagarukamu babanza no kuhaye ncomuye omuramuzi Faith Moda kandi nawe yikirizana na Chief Justice.
A soldier who commits a civilian offense when he is off post and away without pass leave or award should be arraigned before the civil courts, civil as opposed to military courts. The cross appeal succeeds, the main appeal succeeds in part. I make no order as to posts.
Regarding the competence of the military courts, their ability to render a fair hearing, offences triable in military courts, and persons subject to the jurisdiction of the military courts in Uganda.
Nabwanyuma Chief Justice yahaye ncomuye kandi yagira ngo emanja zone z'abantu baburije ziryo mu koti y'amahezi garuko mu kote z'urukure emanja z'abantu baburijo kandi koti y'Ekinyamahe etagaruka kurra hamwe no kucwa emanja ezikwatirina ha muntu waburijo. Amakuraga gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza.